Welcome back, folks. It's Jab Anima back again. If you're here, it's probably because you spend a lot of time on your computer looking at the screen, and that means you probably go hours and hours and hours without rest, probably without even blinking. Today, we're not talking about Blender, but we are talking about something that's going to expand the life that you have on Blender, and that's taking care of your eyes. I never had issues with my eyes, but ever since, I don't know, maybe because of age or maybe because I had laser surgery, after a little bit, my vision gets a little bit blurry. And you know what they recommend for keeping your 20/20? They recommend the 20/20/20. That means every 20 minutes, looking at something that's 20 feet away for 20 seconds. And that's where this free program comes in. It's called Break Timer. You can get it at breaktimer.app. It works right on your computer and it tells you, hey, it's time, you need to take a break. You can snooze it, you can configure it any way you want, so it runs at certain times, it runs on the backgrounds, no ads. I didn't even put my email in. That's it for today, guys. Catch me out on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. I'll see you there.